Buying and selling a home can be a very exciting and a very stressful experience. The key to a successful transaction is often about the mindset of everyone involved. Let's meet two clients who both wanted to sell their house and buy a new one. First is Abby. Abby is decisive, open-minded, and thoughtful. She trusted Catherine's recommendations and loved learning about staging. Next is Jason. He likes to be in control, moves at his own pace, and he is, well, blunt. Jason thought the staging suggestions were ridiculous. Abby, with a great sense of humor, was engaged, listened to what the professionals had to say, and took action quickly. She believed in win-win deals. Jason felt like he knew what was best and worked on his timeline. Jason believed every negotiation was a win-lose deal. He said they can take it or leave it. It was his home after all. Finally, Abby was prepared, accommodating and considerate of other people's time. Jason expected to find the perfect house at the lowest price and didn't mind wasting anyone's time. Abby's home sold quickly and she is happy in her new home. Jason is still trying to sell his house. With a stubborn grump, he says, "Everyone else doesn't know what they're doing." If you want to be the smart, successful buyer or seller, be like Abby.